guys, in this video we're going to answer a quick question. Does Gutter Edge actually work? How effective is Gutter Edge? We're on a job here now. Customer had Gutter Edge installed over 7 years ago. You know, as a contractor or a homeowner, if you had new gutters installed, within 6 months the gutters will begin to stain, get the striping across the gutter, and eventually the gutters will oxidize. What that means is the protective finish on the gutter will wear off, and eventually the aluminum will begin to corrode. So we're going to pan now. We're going to show you exactly what the gutters look like after 7 years. Now that you've seen what the gutters look like after 7 years of an installation, offering Gutter Edge, or if you're a homeowner installing Gutter Edge, will 100% eliminate the staining, and it's going to eliminate the gutters from ever oxidizing. So if you're looking to purchase Gutter Edge, contact your local gutter contractor, or you can go to gutteredge.com for a DIY.